Good day everyone, I'm Cadet Midshipman Abilino and we discuss gyro error, and sorry for my last video because the gyro error is a wrong direction and now we correct it. And then we proceed to our given. Gyro heading is 060 degree and for compass heading is 070 degree and for relative bearing is 200 degree, and for our true bearing that 255 degree, and for our variation 5.7 degree west 2010 annually of 5 minutes west. And as you can see, we have to get gyro bearing, gyro error, and compass heading, compass error, variation, and division. And now, let's go to solve it. And now, we proceed to solve the problem, our problem. And the value of gyro heading is 060 degree, and the relative bearing is 200 degree, and we need to add these two to get a gyro bearing, and we have 260 degree, and the value of true bearing is 255 degree, and we need to subtract it by to get a gyro error. Then it have 5 degree west, y west, because the gyro bearing is greater than true bearing, and according to the rules, compass best error west. And bring down the gyro heading again, 060 degree, to get a true heading, and have 065 degree, it may add, and according to the rules, it have to get a greater than true heading to greater gyro heading, and compass heading is 070 degree, and we need to subtract it to get a compass error. It have 5 degree west, y west, because compass best error west, and compass heading is greater than true heading, it's 70, and true heading is only 65. And for variation, we need to solve our current year, that 2023, minus the given date 2010, and we have 13 years, and bring down the 5 minutes west that are annually, and have 65 minutes west. And for the 3.7, the 0.7 multiply by 60, and we get 42, and you write this 3 degree and 42 minute west. It because have same sign, we need to add, and our answer is 4 degree and 47 minutes west, or in the decimal point, it 4.8 degree west. And we have a value of variation now, our present variation, that 4.8 degree and west. And when we get a division, we need to change our direction, the direction of variation, and 12s east, and we need to subtract because according to the rule, if we have the same sign, we need to subtract, and we have a same sign, we need to add. Because it have the same sign, we need to subtract, and we get 0.2 degree west, y west, because its compass error is greater than variation value. Then we check our compass error. If correct, we have variation and division, and the value of variation is 4.8 degree west, and our division is 0.2 degree west. And according to the rule, again, it have same sign, we need to add, and then our compass error is 5 degree west. Then we need to solve a gyro bearing. In gyro bearing, we need a true bearing that 2 to 5 degree and a compass error that 5 degree west, and west is add compass bearing and it 230 degree. And now if our answer is if our compass bearing and true bearing is correct, we need to solve it by correcting and uncorrecting. By correcting, we need a compass candidate man both twice, and our course and now we need to get correcting. If correct the value of our true bearing and compass bearing C, D, M, V, T, and the value of C is 230 degree, and the D, or division, is 0.2 degree west. And according to the rules, correcting is add is subtract west, and because it west, it subtract, and we have 229.8 degree, and for our variation is 4.8 degree west, because it west, another subtract, and we have 225 degree. And for our uncorrecting, we have T, V, M, D, C. Our true is 225 degree, and variation is 4.8 degree west. And for our uncorrecting, add west, subtract east, because add have 229.8 degree of a magnetic, and for our division is 0.2 degree west, another add, and our course is 230 degree. And now I hope my solution is correct now, and I double check it, my compass error, and it's now correct. Sorry for the last video that my compass error is have a wrong direction. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.